Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Lover Hacks. I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut and very attractive eye-catching hair dye. So stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance, some ideas, messy hairstyles, and so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Some ideas fine hairstyle and some collection too short wave and curl on hair, beautiful wavy and curly hairstyling. Trendy collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors and so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color. In burgundy color, in funky colors, and different collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut, and so beautiful collection of face framing. Overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.